Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, and if you're new here, I make Dollar Tree DIY videos. Today we're going to be making 3 Dollar Tree baskets under $10. So this particular basket I picked up at a thrift store really cheap. Keep in mind that you can display these however you want to. You can put them in a Mother's Day bag, you can wrap them however you want. This just makes it easier for me to display it to you. So when you include the price of everything in the basket, it is less than $10. Some of the baskets, if you were to include those in the amount that you are paying, it would be a little bit more on some cases. So I just want to put that in here as a disclaimer. You absolutely don't need to use the basket. That's just simply for me to display it to you and make it easier for you to see. So here I'm putting in a Leopard Print Sun Hat, Russell Stover's Marshmallow Caramel Candies, a Black Shower Fuzzy, a Leopard Print Eye Cover, a gray head massager, which I'm excited to try this in the shower when I shampoo my hair, some bath salts, and I believe the scent on those is rose, a clay mask, and a Ghirardelli caramel square, and that completes this basket. All right, moving on to our second basket. Once again, I'm using the thrift store basket that was super cheap. You don't need to use that. So this is just a cute little beach bag. They had these in this color, a bright yellow, and a pinkish color. I'm throwing in some slippers. Now I know these are made a little bit cheaper, but they're fun to just get out of the bathtub and go brush your hair or whatever you need to do, and they work great for that, and they are super soft. And then I'm putting in some Boom Chicka Pop popcorn, a cute pineapple tumbler, some Betty Crocker mug cake, because I know that a lot of women love those, a heart-shaped bath bomb pack, a little notebook that says "Like a Boss," and then some pins. And then you'll see I forgot to put in the candle, but it will be in the after shots here next. So that completes this basket. All right, so our last basket is a gardening basket, and I wanted to actually show you what it looked like in a Dollar Tree bucket if you were to use that. So in the bottom for some elevation, I used some paper crumbles. I do recycle these, so what you're seeing is from my Easter video on the bottom. And then I put in some cute sky blue tissue paper. These I actually bought to use myself, so I have 2 sets of them. I'm probably going to gift one set and keep the other, but they're the Dollar Tree gardening tools. I put in some sweet tea and some super cute gardening bicycle cups. That way you can sit out on the lawn or on the patio and have some sweet tea. I'm also putting in a couple of herb planters, a cute little plaque that's, it looks like it's made of concrete, but it's probably plaster, and that would be so cute in the garden. It's got sparkles in it. Some of the gloves with the rubber on the outside of them, I just feel like these grip a lot better than the other gardening gloves, and when they get wet, they don't leak through. I'm putting in some garden, they're the little spikes that you can label, and then a really cute little garden frog that I am obsessed with, and that completes this basket. That completes this video of Mother's Day / mom birthday baskets. I hope that you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.